What's the weather like today? Today it's sunny and it is very hot. It's sweating. And what do you wear when it's sunny? Do you wear trousers? No. Do you wear a sweater? When it's very hot, do you wear sweaters? No. Can you wear a dress? When it's hot? Yes, if it's very hot. We'll wear dresses, right? The girl. And do you wear hats when it's hot? No. When it is very, very cold, we wear